knowledge, and in that way students get two-way communication. But by simply sitting at your home and doing studies on internet is the wastage of time, because when you're doing the studies on internet there are so many tempting videos that keeps on popping in front of your eyes, and it doesn't allow you to finish your task, and later on you realize, I started studies but I ended up doing something else. So it's very important that current education system should focus upon classroom training. Another important aspect I want to say that Albert Einstein said this in his book, that education has been the biggest barrier in my learning. Why he must have said like that? He said like that because the current education system limits your thought. It only asks you to study according to the pattern that has been laid down by the government. It doesn't allow you to bring out your creativity. It doesn't allow you to bring out your innovation. So he said like that. In fact, Albert Einstein developed all these qualities by himself. He has never been into the classrooms or schools. He learnt by himself, and that is the reason why he was able to think beyond books. Students should be given the responsibilities or the task where they are able to think beyond the book, beyond the syllabus. They should think beyond horizons. So that is the reason why Albert Einstein must have said like that. Another important point is the Harvard University, the Stanford universities, these universities focus 80% upon theoretical and practical knowledge, and that is why they are a grand success. They are the great success. In fact, they just focus 20% upon theoretical knowledge. On the other hand, in India, if we happen to see, in India, there are some colleges, in fact, majority of colleges, majority of institutions who are asking the students to focus 80% upon theoretical knowledge and only 20% practical and project knowledge. In fact, in schools and colleges of our India, sometimes when students are asked to make some projects, the students, they buy the project from the market and they submit to the principals and teachers, and the teachers are also least bothered whether the students have made it by themselves or they have purchased it from the market. So it is a huge drawback of our Indian education system.